discover a curated selection of innovative woodworking tools that deliver precision, efficiency, and smart functionality without breaking the bank. From budget-friendly gadgets to premium woodpeckers measuring and layout tools, this list highlights gear that helps both beginners and pros elevate their craftsmanship. Explore the newest must-have tools designed to make every project faster, cleaner, and more accurate. Woodpecker's Pocket Gauge. The Woodpecker's Pocket Gauge is a compact 6-in-1 precision tool that delivers fast, error-free measurements for woodworking layout and setup. It handles blade and bit height adjustments, drill bit stop collar settings, marking and depth gauging, centerline scribing, and hole depth measurement with a dedicated 1/8 inch depth rod. Stainless steel gear, racks lock in perfect 1/32 inch or 1mm increments, while reversible inch metric scales add versatility. Built from anodized, precision machined aluminum, it includes a Racket TM holder and is proudly made in Ohio, USA. Woodpecker's Posilock Tsquare. The Woodpecker's Posilock Tsquare is a precision layout tool engineered for accurate angle marking and flawless parallel scribing on large panels. Its adjustable protractor head locks from 0 degrees to 70 degrees with positive indexing stops for repeatable accuracy. The stainless steel blade features sawtooth scribing notches and laser engraved scales for clear parallax-free readings. Built from anodized aluminum for durability, it offers excellent stability and comes in multiple sizes with a racket holder for organized storage. Woodpeckers Vari-Angle Clamp. The Woodpecker's Vari-Angle Clamp is a precision assembly aid designed to hold workpieces at a wide range of angles during joinery and glue-ups. Available in 3 angle ranges, it locks securely using a ratcheting knob and features a laser engraved scale for accurate 1-degree adjustments. Built from CNC formed, powder coated steel, it includes mounting holes for custom jigs and a wide clamping base. Ideal for picture frames, furniture parts, prototypes, and more. It's proudly made in the USA. Woodpecker's High Precision Jig. The Woodpecker's High Precision Jig lineup includes advanced, accuracy-focused solutions like the Precision Taper Jig and the Joinery Sled. The Precision Taper Jig uses interlocking angle scales, a tear-out reducing MDF sled, and secure clamping to deliver repeatable tapers and angled cuts. The Joinery Sled works on both table saws and rotor tables, offering angle adjustability, micro-adjust accuracy, and versatile clamping. Together, they provide woodworkers with highly reliable, stable, and consistently precise joinery and tapering performance. Woodpeckers MortiseMatch. Woodpeckers MortiseMatch transforms the Festool Domino DF500 or DF700 into a stable bench-mounted mortising station for more precise controlled joinery. Its large phenolic table, integrated clamping slots, and mirror-matching alignment features make it ideal for small, narrow, or mitered workpieces. With an expanded mortise height range from 6mm to 30mm, it handles stock from 1/2 inch to 2 3/8 inch with ease. The quick mount carriage, durable build, and reduced user strain make it a powerful production-friendly accessory. Woodpecker's Work Holding Kit. The Woodpecker's 2096 Work Holding Kit is a precision work holding system designed for benches with 20mm dog holes on 96mm centres, such as the Festool MFT. It uses durable aluminum dogs and phenolic wedge plates to deliver fast, powerful clamping with a simple tap. With multiple dog heights, adjustable trick dogs, and support for various shapes and thicknesses, it excels in routing, sanding, sawing, and assembly tasks. Quick setup, durable construction, and optional cisterna-style storage make it highly efficient. Woodpeckers Deluxe Traml. The Woodpeckers Deluxe Traml system is a premium, USA-made layout tool, engineered for high-precision measuring and arc drawing tasks. Its interlocking 12, 24, and 36-inch aircraft-grade aluminum beams allow circles up to 12 feet wide, while laser-engraved scales and hairline indicators ensure exact accuracy. With pencil holders, scribe pins, centering cones, edge and corner guides, it handles everything from marking arcs to checking squareness. Durable stainless steel components and organized storage options complete this versatile professional system. Woodpeckers Saddle Tsquare. The Woodpeckers Saddle Tsquare is a premium precision layout tool built for fast, accurate marking in woodworking. Its parallel scribing holes let you draw perfectly spaced lines with a mechanical pencil, while the 3/4 inch wraparound saddle design ensures continuous, aligned marks across adjacent faces. The high contrast laser engraved scale with beveled edges eliminates parallax for precise readings. Milled from aircraft grade aluminum for long lasting accuracy, it features smooth chamfered edges and comes in multiple imperial and metric sizes. Woodpeckers Mighty Mini Scraper. The Woodpeckers Mighty Mini Scraper is a compact high-precision tool designed for glue removal and detailed wood scraping in tight spaces. Its 5/8 inch solid carbide insert blade offers exceptional durability, 4 usable edges, and a cambered design that prevents surface damage. Users can rotate the blade for a fresh edge or opt for a square insert for perfect 90-degree corners. The rust-free, reinforced polycarbonate handle provides excellent control, making it ideal for both aggressive and fine scraping tasks. Made in the USA. Woodpeckers Sliding Bevel Gauge. The Woodpeckers Sliding Bevel Gauge is a premium angle transfer tool featuring a unique internal wedge locking mechanism that firmly secures the stainless steel blade for unmatched stability. Its ergonomic knob offers smooth, precise tension control, while the aircraft-grade aluminum body with a red anodized finish ensures durability. CNC machining and softened edges provide exceptional accuracy and comfort. Available in 4-inch and 7-inch sizes, it's perfect for joinery and furniture work with an optional bevel block for quick, repeatable angle setups. Woodpeckers Dowel Guide. The Woodpeckers Dowel Guide delivers precise, repeatable dowel joinery with adjustable spacing, interchangeable bushings, and highly accurate alignment features. Its variable bushing spacing adapts to different board widths, while laser-engraved centerlines ensure flawless positioning. The MT version adds a self-centering mechanism for effortless edge drilling. A robust stop system speeds up batch work, and extension rods expand reach for larger panels. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it supports multiple joint types and comes in complete kits for a full doweling setup. Woodpeckers Mini Square. The Woodpeckers Mini Square is a compact, ultra-precise tool ideal for checking the squareness of small tools and detailed woodworking tasks. Milled from aircraft-grade aluminum, it offers a durable, lightweight build that won't scratch cutting edges. Its 1 1/8 inch by 2 inch size makes it perfect for chisels, plane blades, and tight joinery checks. With accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inch per foot and a high visibility red anodized finish. This USA-made square is easy to carry and essential for setup and fine layout work. Woodpecker's Stair Gauge Set. The Woodpecker's Stair Gauge Set is a precision machined angle marking system designed for fast, repeatable layout of stair stringers, rafters, miter cuts, and shelves. It includes 2 standard depth gauges for fine woodworking and 2 extended depth gauges for construction lumber, ensuring accurate references on any material. Compatible with all squares with angle graduations, the gauges clamp securely to provide stable stops and consistent marking. Made from CNC milled aluminum with a durable red anodized finish, the set also includes a wall-mountable racket organizer. Woodpecker's Engle Angle Mini. Woodpecker's Engle Angle Mini is a precision angle dividing tool designed to instantly bisect any corner for perfect miter cuts, especially in out-of-square rooms. Its 3.5 inch arms fit tight spaces, while the center beam provides an exact reference for trim and molding work. It works with inside angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees and outside angles from 110 degrees to 180 degrees. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum with stainless steel components, it transfers angles directly to a miter saw without any scales, math, or guesswork. Woodpecker's Delve Square. The Woodpecker's Delve Square is a compact, ultra-precise layout tool designed for furniture and cabinet makers who need fast, accurate marking. Its offset base provides 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch references for perfectly centered layouts on 3/4 inch stock, while integrated setup blocks offer quick machine and router adjustments. Precision scribing holes ensure clean, parallel lines, and the wraparound design allows marking across faces and edges. Angle graduations, a centering hole guide, and durable construction make it a reliable all-in-one shop tool. Woodpecker's Corner Lock. The Woodpecker's Corner Lock is a precision, spring-activated assembly tool designed to hold 2 pieces of stock perfectly square at 90 degrees during gluing, fastening, or assembly. Its steel square jaw slides to automatically compensate for stock thickness variations up to 1/4 inch, while dual spring options provide secure clamping for thin or heavy-duty projects. Compatible with 1/4 inch to 7/8 inch stock, it allows full access for fasteners and is built from durable, aircraft-grade aluminum and steel, proudly made in the USA. Woodpecker's Compact Auxiliary Rip Fence. The Woodpecker's Compact Auxiliary Rip Fence is a precision-engineered upgrade for compact table saws, band saws, and router tables, offering enhanced accuracy and versatility. Measuring 36 inches long and 3.5 inches tall, it provides a straighter, longer reference surface and includes 2 7-inch material supports for infeed and outfeed stability. Featuring 7 T-slots, it accommodates featherboards, flip stops, and jigs, and can convert into high, low, or L fence modes. Made from ribbed extruded aluminum, It's durable, warp resistant, and American made. Woodpeckers Autoline Drill Guide. The Woodpeckers Autoline Drill Guide is a precision tool designed to make perfectly perpendicular holes with a handheld drill, ideal when a drill press isn't an option. Its adjustable base and versatile fence system work on large or narrow surfaces, while centering pins and a V-groove securely hold stock. With a large hole capacity, depth stop control, and laser engraved alignment marks, it ensures repeatable, accurate drilling. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, it's durable, portable, and compatible with most drills. Stablemax RT Router Table System. The Woodpeckers. Stablemax RT Plus Router Table System is a versatile, portable benchtop setup that seamlessly converts between table-mounted and handheld routing. Featuring a quick-release piston-fit router base, it accommodates most corded and cordless routers, including 1 to 2.5 horsepower fixed base models. Its precision fence offers micro-adjustment and zero-clearance MDF faces, while integrated dust collection keeps the workspace clean. Built from durable 1-inch Baltic birch plywood with folding legs and bench clamp options, it ensures stability, portability, and long-lasting performance for every woodworker. Stainless steel setup square. The Woodpeckers. Stainless steel setup square is a precision, multifunctional measuring and layout tool designed for professional woodworking. Featuring adjustable stops for parallel scribing, hands-free operation, and a caliper head attachment, it enables accurate internal and external measurements as well as depth settings. Machined from high-quality stainless steel, it guarantees extreme accuracy, plus or minus 0.0085 degrees, and durability. Laser engraved dual-sided scales enhance readability, while the included wall-mountable racket storage keeps all components organized. Made in the USA for lasting performance.